The sun and the Norlan wind. The Norlan wind o' his strength was boasting, wi' his feckless blawheart bluster. See me, I'm maist powerful o' a', I've mair oomph than the rest can muster. Wi' that, he raced through a country village, yanking tiles aff roofs wi' ease, then on he roared into the woods, flattening a wheen o' trees. The sun lookit doon and shook his heed, a wry smile on his sonsy face. Time to teach the wind a lesson, and put him firmly in his place. Say, wind, you think you're stronger than me? We'll test it to the limit. See yon man walking down the road. Can you strip him to his summit? Nae bother, said the wind, and he blew wi' a' his micht. The man buttoned up his coat, and he wrapped it round mair ticht. The wind tried and better tried. The coat just wouldnae budge. The wind gied up, out a puff, efter his final nudge. "My turn noo," the sun did say, smiling at full beam. The man quickly shed his coat, as doon the sweat did stream. For the Norlan wind, shame and defeat. For the sun, a victor's elation. Proof, if proof there ever was, force cannae beat persuasion. But what about the man, the pawn atween twa gamblers? He kept taking off his claes. He was first of the naked ramblers.